Hello guys, in this video I will discuss about SVG polygon. So polygon have 6 or 8 point or more than 8 corner. So polygon tag is used to draw a polygon, and after that points there are a list of points you can use to your polygon. So let's get started with practical example. I create a new HTML document, name it polygon .html. After that I open it with Sublime Text and create a basic structure of HTML document. SVG polygon. In the body tag I will use SVG tag and give it height of 400 pixel and width 400 pixel. Okay, and here I will close the SVG tag. After that I will draw a polygon. Polygon tag will be used to draw the polygon. So after that I use the attributes of points is equal to list of points. Here I have list of points to create any type of polygon. For example, first point is 150 comma 75, that is x1. This is the x1 and this is the y1. So I open it my text editor in browser. I move 175 from X position and 75 from Y position, from top to bottom. After that I will give the point x2 comma y2. So x2 258 comma y2 137.5, and after that I will give the third coordinate, that is the x3 comma y3 258 comma 137.5. Control S, and here I will give it is the stroke of 3 pixel. Stroke of 3 pixel. I go to the browser and reload it. So you will see no polygon is drawn. After that I will create a fourth point of my polygon, and the fourth point is the 258 comma 262.5. Control S to save and reload the page. So you will see two corners of polygon are drawn. So after that I am going to proceed to forward 150 comma 325. Control S to save and reload your polygon. So fourth corner is also created, and if you fill is equal to none, so no polygon will be no fill. So I remove it and reload, so you will see the polygon. After that I will add another point of our polygon that is 150 comma 325. Control S to save and reload your polygon. This point is also already added, so I change it to 42 to 262.6. Control is to save and reload your page, so you will see the fourth kernel is also drawn. So I proceed to the next 42 comma 137.5. Control is to save and reload your page, so you will see a polygon is drawn fully. So you can also change the color of polygon. So fill equal to green. Control is to save and reload, so your polygon color is also changed. You can also set the stroke width equal to 5 pixel. Control is to save, so change the color of stroke black. Control is to save and reload your page, so you will see black stroke is done. And you can also set the opacity of your polygon 0.6. Control is to save, reload your page, so you will see your polygon opacity is changed. And you can also change to opacity full is the default, by default is the 1, so on 1 it opacity will be full. So in this video I taught you to how to create a polygon. If you didn't subscribe my channel, so kindly subscribe my channel and also click on bell icon.